Welcome to our tutorial on setting up document expiry reminders in Logistifie Dispatch Software. We'll guide you through configuring reminders for both driver and vehicle documents. Let's get started. First, click on your profile picture and scroll down to Driver Settings. Click on Doc Expiry Reminder. Under Reminder, click on the drop-down menu and select Driver Documents Expiry Reminder. Below, you'll see options to fill in the dates for the 1st to 8th notifications. Simply enter the number of days in advance you want each notification to be sent. After adding the dates, click Save. Next, go back to the top, click on the drop-down menu again, and select Vehicle Documents Expiry Reminder. Repeat the same steps, entering the number of days in advance for each vehicle document notification. Once you've entered your preferred dates, click Save. And that's how you set up document expiry reminders in Logistifie. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.